Yes, I am filming. I said, yep, I'm filming. What's up? Okay, here I come. Hello wonderful people and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing one of Outre's Converti-cap units. I want to say thank you to Outre for sending this unit over. So the style that I have today is Hawaiian Hottie. It's a straight based unit. It looks like it has multiple styles that we're going to be able to try today. So I'm excited to see how she is going to work out in my favor. I'm hoping that it's going to blend pretty well with my leave out. So if you guys are interested in seeing what styles I come up with today and my thoughts on the unit, then continue to watch. Of course, before we jump into the video, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and if you are, thank you. Hit the notification bell, and then you can follow me on my socials. They're right here on my screen, and then they'll be in my description bar below as well. Okay, I actually am feeling this already straight out the pack because sis has texture. Okay, this unit is texturized. It is not super duper silky, so it should blend in with my hair pretty well. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see what she's gonna look like. I mean, it looks pretty full. I'm liking the ends. I like the length. It looks like it's gonna be a perfect everyday wear look. So let me show you the construction. We have a comb right here in the middle, two combs on the side, one in the back, and then of course your adjustable drawstring as well. And then the way that the inside of the cap is made, they've made it where it's a breathable neck cap, and then the front part right here is supposed to be making it where it's easier for you to not have as much leave out. So I guess the first style we'll start off with is, I'm gonna start off with a, oh, my hair is already up in a ponytail. I think I'm gonna start this look off with a ponytail first. Starting off with a banger. I love the ponytail. Let me say, I actually really love how it's sitting, but I can tell that, of course, if you guys saw my bun before I put this on, my bun was a little bit more spaced out and big and fluffy. If you were to smallen up the size of your bun and put this on, I'm pretty sure it probably wouldn't sit out as wide, but I personally love how this looks. I like for my ponytails to kind of be the attention grabber and be a little bit bigger, so that way it can make my head look smaller, if that makes any sense. I really love how this is sitting. This looks amazing. It blends with my hair so well. I took a little piece of the ponytail and just wrapped around the part that was showing where you could see where I placed the wig, but even with that part turn around right there, it just makes it blend in so well. So already this is my favorite. We started off with a banger. I'm loving it. Feels very secure. Even if I move my head, I don't really necessarily shake or move my head that much anyways when I'm wearing in general, not even when I'm wearing anything, I just don't move my head that much. But she feels very secure. She has body. We're starting off good. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the second look. Alright, so here's my attempt at a middle part. I didn't want to have too much leave out, so I did kind of split it down the middle here just a tad bit, but it's not a complete middle part, but you get the point of having the separation here so that you get the look, get the idea. But I really like this look. I feel like it's a perfect everyday wear type of hairstyle. Like this would be perfect just to wear like to the office, to work every day. This is a very simple, basic but cute style, and it blends in with my leave out so perfect. It's like the exact texture of my hair. So I like this one, and she feels secure. It's cute, real cute. Let's go ahead and move to the next look. So side part is just as good as the middle part. This is a perfect natural everyday look. I was able to adjust it with ease and just put it over to the side. If you guys don't like for your bang to be on your left hand side, you can also adjust it to make it on your right side. I like for my bangs to be over here on my left side, cover my left side of my face, but she looks really cute. I love the naturalness look that I am getting. Now we're going to move on to look 4. This is the last and final look I'm going to show you today. I went with an up and down do. What I did was I put more of my hair out in the front so that way it could hide the ending piece of the wig. Of course, we don't want that to show. And then I took a little bit of the hair as well from the wig and put it up in the ponytail to make it even out and be just as full. So what do you guys think of this look? Out of a rating, I would definitely give this unit a 9 out of 10. It is perfection. Might as well be a 10 out of 10, honestly. There's nothing that I dislike about this unit. All the way around, it is perfect. The ends are nice and even. The texture matches my hair very well. It also does what it says it's going to do by making it very comfortable to wear, as well as being able to move this wig around however you want and get whatever style you want. And then it lays really, really flat. I just adore. I was able to achieve 4 super cute looks that I would definitely wear with this unit, and on top of that, it's affordable. And the unit does take heat. As you saw, I used my flat iron quite a bit. It takes up to 400 degrees. It curls perfectly with your flat iron. I am obsessed. I really, really like this one. Alright, you guys, so that completes today's review slash tutorial install of all these different looks. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and a comment as well. If you have any questions, also leave them in my comment section below. I thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you again, Outre, for sending this unit, and I think that covers it all. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in my comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. You could also probably achieve a headband look. I didn't even touch on that, but you could probably definitely achieve a headband look with this unit. That was the reason of getting this one out, but I want to actually wear my hair like this, and since it looks cute right now, I'm not going to take it out. I'm going to leave it like this. But if you guys want me to do another video just showing you multiple styles that you can achieve with this look or with this wig, then let me know also in the comment section, and I will make another separate video for that. But thanks y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.